So for the mean, median, mode, and standard deviation of the following sequence. Okay, the mean, x bar, is equal to the sum of all the values, xi, all over the number of values. So how many numbers do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 numbers. Let's add them all up. So 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5, all over 5. So that's going to be 12 over 5. Let's see what that guy is going to be. 12 divided by 5 is 2.4. That's the average. The median, when in sequential order, the median is the center value, is the middle value. If there was only 4 values here, you would take the average of these two, right? But there's 5 values here, so it does have a center. So the median, median is going to be 2. Okay, that's the center value. The mode is the number that is the most often. So 1 happens the most often. If there was no number that happened the most often, if it was 1, 4, 2, 3, 5, then the mode would have been nothing, no mode. But there's a mode here is 1. And the standard deviation is going to be, what's that going to be? It is going to be the difference, the sum of every single value minus the average squared all over n minus 1 and square root all that. That's the standard deviation. Okay, so we got to take every single one of these values, subtract that, and square it. So let's do that for each one. Okay, so we're going to have 1 minus 2.4 squared. 2 minus 2.4 squared. 3 minus 2.4 squared. And 5 minus 2.4 squared. We're going to add all those up. So we have 1 minus 2.4. Square it. Take that times 2 because we got 2 of them. Times 2. Plus, oh, well, I guess, hold on, divided by 2. So that was 1.96. Okay, so 2, so fine. 2 minus 2.4 squared is 0.16. What's that? 3 minus 2.4 squared is 0.36. And 5 minus 2.4 squared is 6.76. Okay, now we're going to add them all up. This one's going to be times 2 because we have 2 ones. So we have 1.96 times 2 plus 0.16 plus 0.36 plus 6.76 equals 11.2. We're going to take that, divide it by n minus 1, which is going to be 4, and then we're going to do square root answer. Square root answer is 1.6. So this answer is going to be 1.67. And there are our answers for the question.